See, this is one of the interview question. So if you go for any interview in SAP FICO, and definitely this question will be there. Okay, FI to MM integration. So FI to MM integration, I didn't ask the P2P process. Okay, I asked about only FI to MM integration technical. So you guys are telling from contract agreement, purchase requisition, purchase order. These are all P2P process. Okay, so I'm directly asking you where exactly FI to MM integration will be happen. FI to MM integration is happen at the time of goods receipt. What is the goods receipt movement type? What is the goods receipt?
101.
101.
101. Okay, FI to MM integration is happened at the time of goods receipt. Movement type is 101. So and movement type is 101. Goods receipt entry is. What is the general entry?
Stock account debit to GRI account credit.
Inventory account data to
Inventory account debit to
GRI clearing account will be created.
Why FIT MM integration will be happen at goods receipt? Anyone tell me? What is the reason?
Here inventory is related to material management, and GRIR means invoice process that's happen accounting transaction and goods transaction both are interconnecting here.
There are two types of documents in this generated. One is
Material document.
Second one is
Accounting document.
So accounting document is inventory account debit to GRIR. What is the transaction fee for inventory? What is the transaction fee for GRIR?
BS.
WRI. So where exactly FI to MM integration will be happen? Which T code?
OBYC.
Yeah. The FI to MM integration will be happen at the T code OBYC. So here we need to assign the GL accounts. Here we need to assign the GL accounts.
With the help of combination of valuation class and valuation modifier, you can see.
Correct. So these GL accounts are automatic posting GL accounts. Okay. So automatic posting means we need to select automatic option. Okay. On what basis? On what basis you are assigning the GL accounts? Or what basis you are assigning a GL account for account determination? Account determination is called automatic posting. Okay. So what are the factors?
Chart of account, transaction key,
Valuation area and valuation class.
valuation area, valuation class, and
What are
also
the
like general modifier also.
Assigning GL accounts. What are the factors we need to consider to assign the GL accounts?
Chart of account.
Yeah, fine. FI to MM integration flow start from dash. FI to MM integration flow start from dash. It's MM flow or FI flow?
It's FI flow.
F5.
SAP FI to MM integration flow start from moment type.
Yeah.
Moment type, valuation class,
Valuation modifier.
valuation modifier,
Chart of account.
general modifier.
Chart of account.
Yes, I will. General modifier. So valuation class, valuation modifier, general modifier. Then moment type, transaction key. Okay, so FI to MM integration, which level? Company code level or chart of account level?
Chart of account level. And condition type also we can see, right, sir?
Here no conditions. Okay, valuation class, valuation modifier, general modifier, transaction key, and material type. Okay. Inventory valuation will be happened at a dash level. Tell me.
Plant level, sir.
Company code level.
Plant level.
Plant level. So if there is no plant exists in your company code, then it's a company code level.
Company code.
So plant to be assigned to dash.
Company code.
Storage location.
Company code.
Purchase
Storage
order.
location. Company.
Company code. Company code.
Storage location is assigned to plant. Okay. So purchase organization is assigned to plant or company code.
Company code.
Company code.
Purchase organization is assigned to plant also company code. Both are there. Purchase organization assigned to plant level, company code level, and a reference purchase organization level. You can also assign reference purchase organization to purchase organization. Okay, so inventory valuation happened at plant level. So now the question is, so interviewer will ask you, tell me some moment types. Tell me some examples of moment types. Anyone tell me? Examples of moment types. How many types of moment types are there?
Goods receipt for purchase order.
Next. What is next? Examples of moment types. Tell me some examples of moment types.
333, that is sample distribution.
Tell me at least moment types. Okay, moment types when there is not required numbers, just normal moment type.
Goods issued to cost center. Goods issued to purchase.
Interview. These are all interview questions.
Goods issued to production 261. Goods receipt 101. A scrapping of goods 551.
Okay.
Inca goods.
Sales order movement type 601.
Goods delivered to customer.
Next.
Stock uploading 561.
Okay. We have different kind of moment types in SAP MM. So moment types will be created by MM consultants. Okay. So many standard moment types are there in SAP. So goods issued to production orders. This is one kind of moment type. Goods scrap. One kind of moment type. Goods issued to consumption. One kind of moment type. Goods are transferred from one one plant to another. This is one kind of movement type. Stock transfer orders, one kind of movement type. Stock transfer posting, one kind of movement type. Goods issued to quality, one kind of movement type. Goods issued to blocked stock, blocked. So goods are sent to blocked stock. This is one kind of movement type. Goods in transit, one kind of movement type. So based upon the movement type, transaction will come. Okay. So many movement types are there. I will tell you the numbers and share you the document also. So understand the process first. Account determination. How account determination will be happened? Here, just look at. So material should be created based upon the plant. Material is created plant level. So then my plant is linked with company code. So company code is linked with chart of accounts. Then GL accounts. If you want to create a GL account, then chart of account is must. So without chart of account, you cannot create the GL account. If you want to create a material, then material type is must. So material type, tell me the material types. Tell me some material types.
Raw material, finished stock, consumables, packing materials, lubricants.
Raw material, semi-finished goods, finished goods.
Finished, semi-finished, packing goods, non-stock goods, free goods, UNBW, UNBW materials. So many materials are there. Pipeline materials, so many materials are there. So material type is linked with account category. So account category is linked with valuation class. The valuation class, based upon the valuation class, we will assign the GL accounts. Okay. So here, some of the movement types are there. So at least remind 5 to 6 movement types. 101, 201, 203, 301, 501, 551, 561. The movement type with journal entries. And I also shared one document to you in the chat box. Okay, so here FICO integration complete document. This is complete document. Okay, some of the movement types also given over here. Goods receipt, 101, goods issued to production order, 261, goods scrapped, 551, goods delivered to customer, 601, initial upload, 561. You want to see these journal entries are very important for the interview. Okay, so for this you need to assign the GL accounts. It is your duty. So assigning GL accounts is your duty. So account determination part is your duty. SAP FICO consultant participate account determination. So raw material, goods receipt entry, inventory account add to GRIR. Okay. And the next entry is raw material issued to production orders. Entry, raw material consumption account debit to inventory account. Okay, so consumption GBB. So consumption GBB, right? For GBB, what is the general modifier? VBR. So tell me some general modifiers, important general modifiers.
VBR, VBX,
Hmm. So in this document, each and everything is there. Okay. So these are the journal entries. ZOF, goods receipt without production order. ZOB, goods receipt without purchase order. VNG for scrapping. VPR for internal goods issue. VPO for consumption. So PIP, pipeline liabilities. BSI, initial entry stock balance. So at least you need to tell five general modifiers. Okay. So the general modifier, these are all account grouping. So tell me some info. These are the general modifiers. These are account groups, accounting groups. General modifiers are GBP, KON, PRD. Okay. For this, we need to assign the account modifiers. GBP means consumption. GBP offsetting entries. So general modifier offsetting entries, consumption entries, and price difference. For this only general account modifier should come. Examples of account modifier, it tells to the interview this one. What is meant by valuation class? What is meant by valuation class? What is valuation class?
Valuation grouping code.
For each material, we should have one valuation class, whether it is raw material or finished goods or semi-finished goods. Based on the current situation of that material, we will segregate the raw material as raw material or semi-finished goods or finished goods.
Okay. See, valuation class will be there in Metal Master, right? In Metal Master accounting tab, we need to assign the valuation class. Valuation class represent what kind of material it is, raw material, semi-finished, or finished. And this valuation class is helpful to determine automatic account determination. So we can assign the GL account. Okay. So tell me some important transaction keys.
Stock posting BSX.
Okay.
For GRIR clearing WRX. For price differences PRD. And, offsetting for offsetting stock posting setting GBP.
See, you guys need to prepare this, okay? So if I ask any transaction keys, at least you need to deliver 5 to 6. If I ask, you need to tell 5 to 6. Okay. If I ask movement types, you need to explain 5 to 6 movement types. Then only you will be selected in the interview without stopping. Okay. So BSX, WRX, RP, GBP, KON, KBS, FRL, these are all transaction keys. What is valuation of the grouping code?
Grouping of valuation area is called valuation grouping code.
We are grouped together. Raw material, semi-finished, finished one group. Grouping of valuation classes. So this grouping code helpful to determine account determination part, automatic posting. So here we need to assign a chart of account level. Please prepare this document. I will share you this document. So please complete this document. Okay. So you will answer any kind of question. So in order to activate the valuation grouping code, the OM WM we can activate. Okay. So assigning valuation grouping code and valuation area. Valuation area is what is the meaning of valuation area?
It is nothing but plant.
Either plant company code.
Valuation area is nothing but plant. And here valuation area is plant company code, chart of account. Based upon this, we need to assign the valuation grouping code. Okay, if you not assign the valuation grouping code to this valuation area and company code, then account determination part will not be happen. Okay, so account determination part will be happen only if you assign valuation grouping code to valuation area and value company code. So the T code is OMWD. We tell this to the interviewer. The valuation class is linked with the account reference. Sorry, maybe. So please prepare this document. You will answer all of the questions in interview. If any question will be asked in the interview, you will answer. I shared you one document in the chat box. Okay. So in this how the account determination need to be done clearly mentioned. Okay. So please prepare the journal entries at least. So sampling what is the entry. So each and everything is there in this document. So please prepare this for interview. Okay. If you prepare well, you will answer all of the questions, any kind of question. So with the journal entries, FITMM integration is completely journal entries only. Now let's discuss about the P2P process. Tell me P2P process.
Purchase requisition.
Material requirement planning, purchase requisition,
MRP means material
requirement planning, purchase requisition.
So who will run the MRP in real time? Which team?
Internal
Production.
departments, I think, sir.
Which team? PP and MRP.
People will involve.
Production plan.
Administration.
Then what is
Production department.
production plan? What is next?
Purchase requisition.
No. Material requirement planning.
Vendor selection, sir.
Catch to vendor selection. Before that, quotation.
Quotation, sir. Requesting quotation.
RFQ.
Is inquiry is there or not? So inquiry is not there. Okay. Request for quotation. Then best vendor.
Finalization of vendor. Best vendor selection.
Best vendor selection. Next.
Goods
Issue of the
received.
PO.
Goods
Issue of the PO.
Contract.
Regular contract agreement.
Payment.
contract agreement.
Purchase requisition.
Purchase requisition.
Purchase order.
Purchase order.
Receipt.
Goods receipt.
Invoice.
Invoice receipt.
Then
Then payment.
Payment.
payment. Then
Reconciliation. Bank reconciliation.
reconciliation. Reconciliation is EPS. Automatic bank reconciliation statement. Electronic bank statement. It's automatic. So here FI involvement is nothing. Okay. No accounting transaction. No accounting transaction. So no journal entry. No financial impact. No financial impact. FI participation is very rare. There is not required also. No financial impact. So no accounting entry. No accounting entry. No accounting entry. Yes. Here accounting entry is there. Invoice receipt. What is the journal entry for invoice receipt?
Vendor.
GRIA
GRIA
check on data.
vendor.
To vendor.
Vendor credit.
GRIA to vendor. The payment entry. Yes. Okay. So now here FI participation is if accounting document is not generated properly, or account determination is not happened properly, or if any wrong GL assignments is there, you want to change. Okay, so account determination part will be taken care by FI consultant. Okay. If accounting document is not generated properly, who are responsible? FI only. So I will discuss this concept in detail. If you take any kind of business, three factors are very important. One is buy, second one is make, and third one is sell. So buy means we need to procure the materials. Make means we need to manufacture. Once we procure the material should final product. You need to ready the final product. And the same material, final product should be sold to customer. Right? So procure the material. Once you procure the material, what happened? Once you procure the material, what happened? Stock will increase and your bank amount will decrease. Stock is increased. What kind of stock is increased? Raw material stock. Raw material stock will be increased. This raw material stock again is sent for a production orders. You need to make it semi-finished or finished. For that you send this to subcontractor. Subcontractor will make this finished product. Alright. So the raw material stock should be increased and it should be sent to subcontractor. Subcontractor will make this goods finished. Right. So finished means so he will send back this goods to our factory. So our increase our finished stock will be increased. And again we need to pay the amount to the subcontractor for making these goods into finished. Okay, and the finished goods, see here finished stock will increase again. And your raw material, once you issued raw material stock will be decreased. And once you receiving finished product, then finished stock should be increased. And again you are paying to the money to the subcontractor, the bank will be decreased. The same final product you are selling to customer, so you will receive the money from the customers, accounts receivables. And your finished stock again decrease. We are issuing the goods. So here FITMM integration will be happen at the time of goods receipt. Okay, at the time of goods receipt from the vendor. And FITSD integration will be happen at the time of billing document. At the time of billing document. You know billing document, right? So there are some scenarios are there. So purchase order quantity is 100 rupees. Purchase order quantity is 100 rupees. So goods receipt 100 quantity, goods receipt quantity is 100. And the invoice, the invoice quantity is 100. The price of the purchase order is 10 rupees. So at the time of goods receipt also 10 rupees. At the time of invoice is also 10 rupees. That means it's 1,000. So purchase order value 1,000, goods receipt value 1,000, invoice value 1,000. So if you talk about quantity stock, then it's a MM module. If you talk about price, any price related, amount related issues, FI will take care in real time. Quantity related MM, price related FI. So now it is called a three-way matching.